All right, everybody. So I want to go over a few changes that we're making. Um, so we have a new program or plan that's called the Most Affordable Credit Repair Plan. It is $9.99 to start and $9.99 a month. You do have to sign up for credit monitoring with Credit Dyno using our special link. So you'll have a different portal than everybody else. And this is what the page will look like. And then also the Elite Credit Repair, we are also switching over to the same CRM. So this is what you'll see when you sign up for the Elite Credit Repair. 150 to start, which will be 150 total due today, and then you will be charged 129 a month. And if you were to sign up today, that would start on May 22nd, 2024. It's real simple. You just put your email address in and follow the steps. Super simple. And then for the pre-litigation credit repair, now what you will see is what you used to see before, which is the CRM that we've been using for years now. But I'm doing this to kind of help keep everything separated, just to make it easier for me as well as y'all. When you do sign up for that pre-litigation, make sure that you agree to receive email and or SMS text message communications from Everything Credit LLC. But I just wanted to share this with y'all. This is what I've been working on. Hopefully by the end of the week, when somebody goes to the website, they can choose whatever plan they want to sign up for, and it will give them a direct link instead of signing up and then me having to reach out and find out, do you want to sign up for the Elite? Do you want to sign up for the pre-litigation? Or do you want to sign up for the new program? So just wanted to share this with y'all. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.